cancer remains the second leading cause of death worldwide. It's a complex disease influenced by a wide range of risk factors, everything from exposure to pathogens and UV radiation to toxic substances, poor dietary habits, and a lack of physical activity. But the real impact of these risks depends on a few key details: the dose, the timing, and how these factors interact with a person's unique genetic makeup. In recent years, scientists have turned their focus to a fascinating player in this story: the gut microbiome. This vast community of microorganisms living in our intestines doesn't just help us digest food, it has a profound connection with our health. Research shows that changes in the gut microbial community can play a major role in the development of cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Studies using both genetic and experimental models have linked these microbial shifts to the formation of cancerous tumors. The gut microbiome's influence is a double-edged sword. Advanced research techniques like metabolomics and metagenomics have revealed its dual nature. On one hand, it can help reduce cancer risk and support the body's response to treatments. On the other, it can drive tumor growth under certain conditions. Take prostate cancer, for example. In patients with this disease, researchers have noticed an increase in a microbe called B. maciliensis, while beneficial species like Eubacterium rectale and Faecalibacterium prausnitzii are found in lower numbers. This suggests these microbes might be tied to the disease's progression. Similarly, in colorectal cancer, species like Bacteroides fragilis, Fusobacterium nucleatum, and Peptostreptococcus have emerged as key players, highlighting the tight link between our gut and this type of cancer. The story doesn't stop there. In gastric cancer, gut inhabitants like Fusobacterium nucleatum and Clostridium collicanus are now seen as potential warning signs. What's particularly striking is how F. nucleatum behaves. It can suppress the immune system and encourage cancer cells to multiply. But here's the good news. Diets rich in whole grains and fiber have been shown to lower the risk of cancers driven by this microbe. This points to a powerful truth: what we eat shapes our gut microbiome, which in turn influences our cancer risk. These discoveries are opening new doors. The gut microbiome's significant role in cancer progression has sparked excitement about microbiota-based therapies, treatments that could harness these tiny organisms to fight cancer. But there's still much to learn. Scientists are working hard to uncover the full story behind how the gut microbiome affects cancer and how we might tap into its potential to prevent or even treat this disease. The journey to understand cancer is far from over, but one thing is clear: the trillions of microbes in our gut are more than just passengers. They're active players